Hi dear children, good morning. All of you celebrate Onam? Yes. All of you ready to study now? Is what studied in the last class is whole numbers. What is mean by whole numbers? Yes. Zero together with natural numbers is called whole numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole numbers. What is the starting number? That is the smallest number, smallest whole number, 0. Biggest whole number, uncountable. That is infinite. Okay. That means the whole number system contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Today we have to study properties of whole numbers. Yes, what are the properties of whole numbers? Yes, first property, closure property. Next, commutative property, commutative, associative, then distributive, then additive identity, then multiplicative identity, etc. Okay, these are the properties of whole numbers. Today first we have to study closure property of whole numbers under all mathematical operations. Okay, first operation under addition. Okay, first operation under addition. What is meant by closure property under addition? Yes. What is the closure property under addition? Yes. When we add any two whole numbers, then their sum is also a whole number. Okay. When we add any two whole numbers, then their sum is also a whole number. Here I take two whole numbers, 4 and 12. Okay. Here I take two whole numbers, 4 and 12. What is the sum of these two? Is 4 plus 12 equal to 16. 4 plus 12 equal to 16. Here 16 is a whole number. 16 is a whole number. What are the numbers contained in whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 16 contained in the whole number system. So 16 is a whole number. Okay. Then I take another one example. 0 and 100. What is sum of 0 and 100? Yes, 0 plus 100 equal to 100. 100 is whole number or not? Yes, 100 is a whole number. Okay, then next another one example. 103 and 200. These two are whole numbers. Let's take their sum. Is 103 plus 200 is equal to what? 303. 303. 303 is whole number or not? Is whole number. That means when we add any two whole numbers, then their sum is also a whole number. So we can generally say that if A and B are any two whole numbers, then A plus B is also a whole number. Okay. That means whole numbers is closed under addition. Why? When we add any two whole numbers, then their sum is also a whole number. Okay, so closure property is satisfied. Okay, that means we can say that if A and B are any two whole numbers, then A plus B is also a whole number. That means what? Whole numbers is closed under addition. Okay. Then how can prove closure property under addition? We take any three examples. Okay. Then write the general form. Okay. First take any three example. Then go to the general form. Okay, then right, that is that closure properties satisfied or not satisfied. Here whole numbers is closed under addition. So we can say that one, if A and B are any two whole numbers, then A plus B is also a whole number. Okay, write this. Next, under subtraction, closure property under subtraction. Here also we take any two whole numbers. Okay. Yes, I take 4 and 2. How can find subtraction is closed or not? Yes. When we subtract any two whole numbers, then the difference also a whole number. Okay. Here I take two whole numbers 4 and 2. Now I take difference. So 4 minus 2, that is subtract 4, 2 from 4, that is 4 minus 2. Okay, what is 4 minus 2 answer? Equal to 2. 2 is also a whole number. 2 is a whole number. Okay, so first our subtraction answer is a whole number. Then second, I take 0 and 5. Now subtract 5 from 0. So 0 minus 5. What is the answer? 0 minus 5. It is 0 minus 0 means nothing. Nothing minus 5. Taken away. From 0 taken away what? That 5. It is not possible. Okay. Not possible. Okay. Here not get a whole number. Okay. So here condition not satisfied. Here not get a whole number. I take another one example. 10 and 15. What is 10 minus 15? Is 10 minus 15? 10 minus 15. Here 10 is small, big. 15 is bigger number. One small number minus bigger number. Not studied. That means here what? Not possible. Sometimes here got what? Subtraction answer. But sometimes here not got that subtraction, and that is we have here we not got whole number. So, but subtraction is not closed under. Subtraction is not closed. That means whole numbers is not closed under subtraction. Whole numbers is not closed under subtraction. Why? Here sometimes we didn't get the answer whole number. So whole numbers is not closed under addition. No, not closed under subtraction. Okay, right. Next, subtraction. No, next multiplication. Okay. How can check closure property is satisfied or not? Yes, here also when we multiply into whole numbers, then the product also a whole number. Okay. Now here we can check this first. 10 and 5. What is the here 10 and 5 whole number? Yes. What is the product of 10 and 5? Equal to 10 5s are 50. 50 is a whole number or not? Yes, whole number. Next, 5 and 12. Here 5 and 12 is a whole number. Yes. Take product of these two. What is the 12 5s are 60. It is a whole number. Yes. Then next, another example. 7 and 0. 0 is our first whole number. Okay. So So 7 into 0, what is the answer? It is 0. 0 is a whole number. Yes. Yes, here we got, when we multiply any two whole numbers, then their answer is also a whole number. So what we are, whole numbers is, whole numbers is closed under multiplication. Closed under multiplication. So we can say that if A and B are any two whole numbers, if A and B are any two whole numbers, then A into B is also a whole number. A into B is also a whole number. Okay, right? Yes, that means whole numbers is closed under multiplication. Next, division. Okay, here also I take two whole numbers. Okay, but here we check this. We divide into whole numbers, then their quotient is also a whole number. Now we can check 10 and 5. I take 10 and 5 is a whole number. Yes, divide 10 division 5, it is equal to 2. How many 5s into 10? Yes, 2 5s. That is answer. 2 is a whole number. Yes, 2 is a whole number. Okay, then next we take 20 and 7. What is 20 divided by 7? It's a quotient. Here. Yes, not cancelled. So answer is what? 20 divided by 7. It is a fraction. Whole number system not contain what? Fractional numbers. Here contain only what? Counting numbers and zero. Okay. So fraction numbers does not contain in the whole number system. So it is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. Okay. Then 5 and 2. Okay. What is 5 division 2? Here also we got one fractional number. So it is not a whole number. So whole numbers is what? Whole numbers is not closed under division. Okay, not closed under division. That means what? Whole numbers is what we last conclude. Yes, whole numbers is closed under addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Okay, addition and multiplication. Not closed under what? Not closed under subtraction and division. Not closed under subtraction and division. Okay, clear. Closure property. What is mean closure property? When two numbers taken from the whole number, then their answer is also in the whole number. In addition sum is a whole number. Subtraction time, the difference is a whole number. Division time, that is the quotient is a whole number. In multiplication, product is also a whole number. Here what? Whole numbers only closed under what? Addition and multiplication. Does not closed under subtraction and division. Okay, in subtraction and division time, their answer is not a whole number sometimes. Okay, let's be clear. Let's try it. This next property, commutative property. Okay, commutative property for whole numbers. Commutative means what? Changing the numbers. They changing the position of the numbers. Okay. Commutative property under addition. Okay. If we add two whole numbers in any order, okay, that is first number plus second number or second number plus first number, that means add in any order, we get the same. That is the word commutative property of addition. Okay, so I take two whole numbers, that is here take 5 and 50. Okay, what is the sum of these two? What is the sum? Yes, 5 plus 15 equal to 20. Okay, 5 plus 15 equal to 20. The same whole numbers, I take the answer in the another order. Okay, that means here write first number write in the second number write in the first place and first number write in the second place. Okay, so what is the answer? That time answer is always same. Okay, here we add two whole numbers in any order, answer is same. I take another one example, which is example 1, then example 2. Example 2, I take 20 and 2. Okay, what is the sum of 20 plus 2 equal to 22? What is the sum of 22 plus 20? That means here interchanging position of the numbers. Okay, changing the position of the numbers. What is the answer? 22. Here also answer is C. Okay, that means we can say in general, if A and B are any two whole numbers, then the sum A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay. Okay, that means generally we can try. If A and B are any two whole numbers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. That means here numbers write in any order, their answer, that is the sum is also same. Okay, that is the commutative property under addition. Okay, that means here whole numbers is commutative under addition. Okay, clear? Today I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay, thank you.